Stella woke up to her alarm blaring at 6 a.m. as usual, but today was different. It was Inconvenience Yourself Day. She decided she would not hit the snooze button and sleep in for a few extra minutes like she always did. Instead, she rolled out of bed and turned off her alarm, feeling slightly annoyed at her self-imposed inconvenience. Inconvenience Yourself Day was started in the early 2000s to encourage people to gain a new appreciation for convenience and ease in their lives by purposefully inconveniencing themselves in small ways. While the origin of the day is unclear, it highlights the fact that we often don't realize how convenient and easy our lives are until we face obstacles and challenges. The day has grown in popularity as people seek to simplify their lives and gain gratitude for what they have. In a world filled with modern comforts and conveniences, it is easy to take things like hot showers, transportation, and technology for granted. Inconveniencing yourself in small ways, even for just a day, helps foster appreciation for these conveniences you enjoy every other day of the year. To celebrate Inconvenience Yourself Day, Stella decided she would not use her car to get to work. Instead, she would walk the 2 miles to her office. As she walked outside into the chilly February morning, she realized just how convenient driving her car really was. Her 15-minute commute turned into a 45-minute trudge through her neighborhood. Her feet started hurting. She got splashed by a passing car driving through a puddle, and she was shivering by the time she made it to her building. At work, Stella skipped her usual morning coffee and decided to make her coffee using a cheap single-serve coffee maker instead of a fancy espresso machine. The coffee was bland and watery, making her miss her morning espresso ritual. She also decided not to use her computer or phone for most of the day, relying instead on paper files, a landline phone, and face-to-face meetings. She was amazed at how dependent she had become on technology to do her job. By the end of the non-inconvenient day, Stella had a renewed sense of gratitude for all the conveniences, big and small, that made her life easy. She appreciated the warm bed she returned to, the car that got her home in just 15 minutes, the gourmet coffee she happily brewed, and the small devices she relied on. While Inconvenience Yourself Day only comes once a year, the lessons it taught Stella were ones she would remember for years to come. The fourth Wednesday in February is Inconvenience Yourself Day. Here is a painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful Inconvenience Yourself Day. Cheers!